Hello, everyone. Welcome to Master Azerbaijani, your new word of today. Today's word is tecrübe. Tecrübe. Tecrübe can mean experience, experiment, practice, or to test. Let's see those in some phrases. With years of experience, to gain practical experience, or to test something. Let's see. İllərin TƏCRÜBəsiyle. İl, year, illər, years, illərin of the years. İlə means with. İllərin TƏCRÜBəsi ilə. With years of experience. Praktik tecrübe qazanmaq. Praktik, practical. Qazanmaq, to earn, to gain. Praktik tecrübe qazanmaq. Nəyisə təcrübə etmək. Nəyisə something. Təcrübə etmək, to test, to experiment something. Let's see those in some sentences. Onun bu işte böyük tecrübesi var. He or she has great experience in this job. Bu işte, in this job. Onun, he or she has got basically. Böyük tecrübesi, great experience. Onun bu işte büyük tecrübesi var. Let's see another one. O yeni kəşfini təcrübə etməyə qərar verdi. He or she decided to test, meaning or experiment, his or her new discovery. O, we already know this. In Azerbaijani, it can be he, she, or it. We will know it from the context. That is the context here that is a person doing it. That's why it's going to be either he or she. Since it's just an example, it doesn't matter which one we use. So I added both. So up to you. Kəşf, discovery. Kəşfini, his discovery, her discovery. See how there's kəşfini. You write it, but spoken language turns into v consonant and it becomes kəşfini. Tecrübe etməyə qərar verdi. Decided to test, basically, to experiment with or to put it into test. To test. Qərar is decision, verdi, to give decision, basically decided. O, yeni kəşfini təcrübə etməyə qərar verdi. That was today's word. We can use it in some real-world examples. Watch this. They are looking for someone with 10 years of experience, i.e. tecrübe, for an entry-level data analyst job. Sounds familiar? All right. That was today's word. Come back to more of our new word. Until then, check masterozofjourney.com for more. Cheers.